The drone menace refusing to die down for Jammu and Kashmir. Now, again, 2 drones have been spotted at locations in the Jammu area last night. This drone activity was witnessed in the Satwari area and the Miran Sahib area as well, both in the Jammu region. So 2 more drones being spotted at 2 locations in Jammu region. Remember, the area also have been close to the international border and the line of control, and therefore in the past, with the background of drone attacks that are taking place, one even at the Air Force station, and then the drone sightings either for surveillance or to drop the payload have been cited by the personnel deployed across the border. Sunil G. Bhatt reporting from Jammu on the same. Sunil, take us through more details about 2 sightings of the drones in Jammu last night.
Well, Pooja, since last evening, 4 drone activities have been witnessed in Jammu division. Last evening, we broke this story that drone was spotted in Samba district near the 92 Brigade headquarters of the army, as well as in Hiranagar sector of Kathua district. Now we are learning that drone has been witnessed at 2 more places, in Satwari area of Jammu as well as in Mira Sahib area. So there is no end to the drone menace here in Jammu division, and ever since the drone attack took place on Indian Air Force's airbase here in Jammu, there has been increase in the drone activity. Last evening, when drone was witnessed near the 92 Brigade headquarters of the army, the alert troops fired at that drone, but as it has happened in the previous cases, the drone vanished from that spot, it disappeared from the spot. Now high alert has been sounded all across Jammu and Kashmir, particularly along the line of control as well as along the international border. So this is a very serious matter, and security agencies are taking it very seriously, and that is why we had Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat visiting Jammu division. He visited the frontier areas along the line of control in Rajouri district and Poonch district.
But Sunil, I also want to ask you, because since the drone attack that did take place earlier, there have been, of course, the alertness has now been even heightened, at least along the line of control. Which areas are you hearing are now where there is alert that has been sounded to ensure that drone sightings are avoided?